In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva Content Planner Schedule Publish with Canva. If you're ready to stop juggling tabs and start scheduling your posts in one clean workflow, this walkthrough will make it simple, even if you're brand new to Canva's planner. Start on your Canva homepage. Look along the left sidebar for Content Planner and click it to open. If you don't see it right away, check the three dots for more options, or open the Apps section and you'll find it there. The planner is a calendar view that lets you map out what's going live and when, across multiple social platforms. Before you can schedule anything, connect your social profiles. Inside the planner, select the option to connect accounts and choose the platforms you use, like Instagram, Facebook pages, Pinterest, or LinkedIn. Canva will guide you through logging in and granting permission so it can publish on your behalf. Take a moment to confirm you're connecting the correct pages or profiles, and follow the prompts until you see them listed as connected. Now you're ready to schedule. You have two easy entry points. From the calendar, click the plus icon on the exact date you want to post. This starts a new scheduled post for that day. Or, if you're already working on a design, open it, click the share button in the top right, and select schedule. That route is great when inspiration strikes mid-edit and you want to lock in a posting time right away. Next, choose your content. You can select an existing design you've already created, or start fresh by picking a template and customizing it to your brand. Once your visual is set, you'll move on to the post details. Set the date and time, then select the connected social channel or channels where you want this to publish. Double-check the time zone so the post goes out exactly when you expect. If you're posting to multiple platforms at once, make sure the design format fits them all. Add your copy by writing a clear, engaging caption. Keep it concise, include a call to action if it makes sense, and add any relevant hashtags your audience recognizes. When everything looks good, click Schedule Post to queue it for automatic publishing. If you need feedback or want to revisit it later, choose Save as Draft instead. You'll see your scheduled and draft items on the calendar, giving you a visual snapshot of your content plan at a glance. That's all you need to schedule and publish with Canva Content Planner. Thanks for watching.